Hi everybody, Chef Rob here. I am making for dinner a cider braised pork shoulder. And this is so good. It's such great comfort food. I've got about a 3-pound pork shoulder or Boston butt roast, and I'm going to cut it. I've trimmed some of the fat cap off of it. I'm going to trim it into pieces that are going to serve one person, and it looks like it'll make about 6 or 8. Preheated a pan on the stove, and we're going to sear these off on all 4 sides. And then we're going to season them and add them to a slow cooker. Okay, well, while we're searing the pork off, let's build up the braising liquid by cutting an onion, and you'll see the other things that I've got here is some apple cider, not apple juice. I prefer the apple cider, which is the raw and unfiltered. But you can also use hard cider if you want, which lends a wonderful fermented, aged quality to the braising liquid. Rough chop the onions. I've got a slow cooker on low that we'll add these to. So we'll go ahead and, with the onions, they're going to prop the pieces of meat up off of the bottom. I'm going to add a little bit of chicken stock, not a bunch, probably about a cup or so, and some of the apple cider. And then when we get the roast over here, we'll season that up some more. Okay, we are done searing the roasts, and we put some Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper, and nestled these all down into the braising liquid, and put it on low where it will stay and cook for about 6 hours or so. Okay, after about 5 hours in the crock pot, I fished the meat out, and this is you've got just tender, wonderful pieces of delicious pork. And I'm reducing the sauce that I'm gonna probably add some cream to and serve over the meat. And I'm boiling some water to put some handmade wide egg noodles in. Okay, I melted a couple of tablespoons of butter, to which I'm going to add some parsley and some garlic, and add to the noodles when they're done. Okay, the sauce is reducing down nicely, and the noodles are just about done. Okay, so strain the noodles, and I'm going to put them back in the pan so that I can dress them. With our butter and garlic. All right, here we are. Slow cider braised pork shoulder all day long. That just is fall apart tender. And then we've got hot buttered wide egg noodles with garlic and herbs. Hope you enjoy this one as much as I enjoyed making it for you.